GED Science Life Science Lessons. Question 1. In a food web, which organisms produce their own food? Option A, decomposers. Option B, primary consumers. Option C, producers. Option D, secondary consumers. The correct answer is option A, decomposers. Decomposers is correct. Primary consumers is incorrect. Producers is incorrect. Secondary consumers is incorrect. Question 2. Why does a person's skin wrinkle after a long bath? Option A, outer skin absorbs water and expands. Option B, skin loses oil. Option C, blood vessels constrict. Option D, soap reaction. The correct answer is option A, outer skin absorbs water and expands. Outer skin absorbs water and expands is correct. Skin loses oil is incorrect. Blood vessels constrict is incorrect. Soap reaction is incorrect. Question 3. Why do chromosomes duplicate before cell division? Option A, to increase cell size. Option B, so each new cell gets identical genetic material. Option C, to produce energy. Option D, to remove mutations. The correct answer is option A, to increase cell size. To increase cell size is correct. So each new cell gets identical genetic material is incorrect. To produce energy is incorrect. To remove mutations is incorrect. Question 4. A patient has high blood sugar. Which hormone is likely deficient? Option A, glucagon. Option B, insulin. Option C, adrenaline. Option D, thyroxine. The correct answer is option A, glucagon. Glucagon is correct. Insulin is incorrect. Adrenaline is incorrect. Thyroxine is incorrect. Question 5. How does deforestation affect the water cycle? Option A, increases transpiration. Option B, decreases evapotranspiration and rainfall. Option C, no effect. Option D, increases groundwater. The correct answer is option A, increases transpiration. Increases transpiration is correct. Decreases evapotranspiration and rainfall is incorrect. No effect is incorrect. Increases groundwater is incorrect. Question 6. How do greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere? Option A, they absorb and re-emit infrared radiation. Option B, they block sunlight. Option C, they produce heat chemically. Option D, they reflect UV radiation. The correct answer is option A, they absorb and re-emit infrared radiation. They absorb and re-emit infrared radiation is correct. They block sunlight is incorrect. They produce heat chemically is incorrect. They reflect UV radiation is incorrect. Question 7. Suppose a scientist wants to test a new fertilizer. Which is the best control? Option A, no fertilizer applied. Option B, twice the fertilizer. Option C, different type of fertilizer. Option D, no plants at all. The correct answer is option A, no fertilizer applied. No fertilizer applied is correct. Twice the fertilizer is incorrect. Different type of fertilizer is incorrect. No plants at all is incorrect. Question 8. A scientist observes that a chemical reaction rate doubles when temperature increases by 10 degrees Celsius. This suggests: option A, reaction is endothermic. Option B, higher kinetic energy increases colocyans. Option C, catalyst is present. Option D, pressure decreased. The correct answer is option A, reaction is endothermic. Reaction is endothermic is correct. Higher kinetic energy increases colocyans is incorrect. Catalyst is present is incorrect. Pressure decreased is incorrect. Question 9. Why do some fruits ripen faster in a paper bag? Option A, bag traps ethylene gas produced by fruit. Option B, lack of oxygen speeds ripening. Option C, darkness triggers ripening. Option D, humidity increases. The correct answer is option A, bag traps ethylene gas produced by fruit. Bag traps ethylene gas produced by fruit is correct. Lack of oxygen speeds ripening is incorrect. Darkness triggers ripening is incorrect. Humidity increases is incorrect. Question 10. Which vitamin is synthesized by bacteria in the human intestine? Option A, vitamin C. Option B, vitamin D. Option C, vitamin K. Option D, vitamin A. The correct answer is option A, vitamin C. Vitamin C is correct. Vitamin D is incorrect. Vitamin K is incorrect. Vitamin A is incorrect. Question 11. Which blood cell is responsible for clotting? Option A, red blood cell. Option B, white blood cell. Option C, platelet. Option D, plasma. The correct answer is option A, red blood cell. Red blood cell is correct. White blood cell is incorrect. Platelet is incorrect. Plasma is incorrect. Question 12. A scientist claims a new drug cures a disease based on a study of 5 people. What is the main weakness? Option A, too many variables. Option B, small sample size. Option C, lack of a hypothesis. Option D, no control group mentioned. The correct answer is option A, too many variables. Too many variables is correct. Small sample size is incorrect. Lack of a hypothesis is incorrect. No control group mentioned is incorrect. Question 13. A population of deer grows rapidly, then crashes. Which factor is most likely the cause? Option A, too many predators. Option B, overgrazing and food shortage. Option C, climate change. Option D, hunting by humans. The correct answer is option A, too many predators. Too many predators is correct. Overgrazing and food shortage is incorrect. Climate change is incorrect. Hunting by humans is incorrect. Question 14. Which subatomic particle determines the identity of an element, atomic number? Option A, deuteron. Option B, dilectron. Option C, proton. Option D, positron. The correct answer is option A, neutron. Neutron is correct. Electron is incorrect. Proton is incorrect. Positron is incorrect. Question 15. Why does a rocket work in the vacuum of space? Option A, pushes against exhaust gases, Newton's third law. Option B, pushes against air. Option C, uses magnetic fields. Option D, solar sails. The correct answer is option A, pushes against exhaust gases, Newton's third law. Pushes against exhaust gases, Newton's third law, is correct. Pushes against air is incorrect. Uses magnetic fields is incorrect. Solar sails is incorrect. Question 16. Which gas do plants absorb from the air for photosynthesis? Option A, oxygen. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, hydrogen. The correct answer is option A, oxygen. Oxygen is correct. Nitrogen is incorrect. Carbon dioxide is incorrect. Hydrogen is incorrect. Question 17. How does an increase in heart rate help during exercise? Option A, delivers more oxygen and glucose to muscles. Option B, lowers blood pressure. Option C, reduces body temperature. Option D, stores more fat. The correct answer is option A, delivers more oxygen and glucose to muscles. Delivers more oxygen and glucose to muscles is correct. Lowers blood pressure is incorrect. Reduces body temperature is incorrect. Stores more fat is incorrect. Question 18. A scientist wants to test if a new drug cures headaches. What would be a placebo? Option A, no treatment. Option B, a sugar pill with no drug. Option C, a lower dose of the drug. Option D, a different headache drug. The correct answer is option A, no treatment. No treatment is correct. A sugar pill with no drug is incorrect. A lower dose of the drug is incorrect. A different headache drug is incorrect. Question 19. How does a refrigerator's thermostat use negative feedback? Option A, turns compressor on when too warm, off when cold enough. Option B, always runs. Option C, heats the interior. Option D, uses positive feedback. The correct answer is option A, turns compressor on when too warm, off when cold enough. Turns compressor on when too warm, off when cold enough is correct. Always runs is incorrect. Heats the interior is incorrect. Uses positive feedback is incorrect. Question 20. Why do we see lightning before hearing thunder? Option A, light travels faster than sound. Option B, thunder is quieter. Option C, lightning is closer. Option D, eyes react faster than ears. The correct answer is option A, light travels faster than sound. Light travels faster than sound is correct. Thunder is quieter is incorrect. Lightning is closer is incorrect. Eyes react faster than ears is incorrect.